Hey there, Bravo here to walk you through the process of MobilePawn self-activation. The first thing you need to do is navigate to either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store as shown in this example. Select Search and then type in MobilePawn. It should be the top result, but you want to look for the three balls and the descriptor Finance as seen here. Now select either Get or Cloud button to download the app. Once the download is complete, select Open and allow notifications so you don't miss out on any important loan or layaway updates. Now, let's get started with our self-activation. You'll be greeted by three options: make a payment, shop, or find a store. Make a payment is where you want to connect to your favorite store. Shop will bring you directly to Bio, where you can browse through pre-loved items, and Find Store gives you the option to find a store near you that uses MobilePawn. I attached a link to that video here. We're going to select Make a Payment. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number, then verify your number to get a code. Shortly thereafter, you'll receive a text message that includes your security code. Enter that 4-digit code and MobilePawn will automatically activate. That's it! Now you have access to your pawns, layaways, shopping, chat notifications, and you can even submit images of items, include details and desired amounts to your favorite shop for items you want to sell or get a loan on. For more information on how to self-activate MobilePawn, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thank you and have a great day.